Doing this from the inside, from the attic, but there's a roof within a roof. So if I would have known, I probably would have just cut into that roof, but it was kind of hard to tell. There's actually another roof. They messed up when they were designing this house, and they had to bring the roof out like another 12, maybe even 16 feet out. And that's our little view right now that we got of downtown. We're rigged up pretty good because we're like 16, I'd say like 30 feet up on a ridge in Westlake, Austin.